Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Lady Grace Oreo. I'm 31 years old. I have 5 kids. The elder one is 14 and the other is 13, 8, 3 and 1. I'm single. I am a happy person, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, reliable, and I'm always willing to learn, and I'm always put God's first. I have experience as a helper way back 2013 to 2015. I'll take care of a baby, mom and sir. My employer is both Filipino, and my second employer is both Filipino also. I'm taking care of 3 kids, mom and sir, but the main duties is to take care of an elderly. I'll take her into bath daily. I'll do massage sometimes if necessary. I can do all household chores, cleaning, cooking. I love cooking, and I'm willing to learn a lot of dishes. I can do ironing, car wash. I can take care also a baby, even if it's newborn or a kid. I can also take care of an elderly. I prefer to work both alone or with coworker is fine. And to all employer, if you hire me, I promise to be honest and I'll do my job, all my duties, and all my responsibility. Thank you, and please check my profile into library app. Thank you so much and have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.